Okay, welcome.
Where is Ijele, your madam?
Okay, she not there. She just come out. Make she go do 1 or 2.
That is not a problem. Just go and get me pepper soup. Name of pepper soup. Name of...
Pepper soup never ready.
Hi.
Yeah, it's like you go just cool just palm small, you understand? Make we arrange. I might tidy and sharp.
Do I have a choice? You don't need to even talk it. Do I have a choice? If it means for me to stay here and wait till thy kingdom come, I will wait. Because if I fail to eat this meat today, soon, what you're going to do is once the pepper soup will come, don't just give me 1 plate, because very soon everything give me 4 plates. Pack it to 4 in 1. Okay. You bring it for me.
No,
before that, go and give me a palm wine.
Yeah, there's palm wine now.
Give me palm wine.
Okay, let me
it here. Here, I want to stay here.
Okay.
Hey! The meat is what we're waiting for. Give me share.
Yes, so.
Like I said before.
Let me bring table.
Bring table, come. Give me table. You know, if that is once the thing come. When this thing, the meat come, give me 4 plates, 4 in 1, because very soon every people will begin to rush this place. Give me 4.
No, but I will make it 5.
You will make it 5?
5.
That is why I like you. I will pay.
Let me bring your palm wine.
If I don't eat this meat today, no. Let me use it to do appetizer. To open my stomach.
You're a special customer.
Everything about Ijele will taught us sweet. Everything about Ijele. That is why if I stay in my house like this, I'm uncomfortable anytime that I'm not
anytime here. You come here, you're a special customer. Will serve you like VIP. We'll give you legit.
VIP?
Yes.
I will give you 1,000.
1,000?
1,000.
Mark your leg.
This is why I like to come here. I'm planning to get another wife. That one at home is very boring. She's not doing all these things.
Just enjoy your palm wine. The person is coming.
A person is coming.
Leave wife
5 plates.
5 plates.
Leave wife.
Leave wife first.
All important. If you go to the choy. That is what I like. That one at home will be like a log of wood. Every time I'll check. Look at here. Choy. Ha! Anytime I'm here, I feel comfortable, feel at home. Because Ijele is there for me. And I am there for Ijele. Hey. Aye.
I saw someone. Yes. I thought you were carrying something. Yes, we saw you. Yes.
You see me they carry something?
Yes. You are carrying a goat.
Smoke. Come on, match that.
But you are carrying something.
I said no, you are carrying goat.
What is coming? Come on, the goat.
Shut your mouth.
My short customer.
The mad dog.
Your shoe shine.
The mad dog.
I don't say you go show.
Ijele mad.
I don't feed you. What you want, chop?
Ijele nkatala.
I don't give you back to back.
Ijele, I said, I don't sleep at home again.
I go sleep.
Anytime I sleep, I will be hearing
Pepper soup, you come chop, get yourself.
Go to pepper soup, Ijele.
Ijele's corner.
If that's my useless wife,
Ooh,
that one is every day complaining. You don't eat at home. I say, what? You are cooking potty?
Cook now.
You are cooking potty?
You go come and go see food chop now.
I sleep like a baby.
They do you.
Where is the meat?
It goes too ready. Just calm. Bimbo, father, hello. Just calm down.
I told you. 5 plates. 5 and 1.
5. You want 5 plates? You're a finished man. Sit down. I
have finished.
5 plates. Sit
I
down.
have finished.
Come on, I don't there for you, Abi.
Yeah, no, don't worry. I'm okay.
I there for you.
I there for you too.
I there for you.
Everything about you is sweet.
Don't worry, because of you, I go to cook morning, afternoon, night.
You
go chop that.
What? No, I feel at home. I there for you too. Don't worry, let me finish this one. I am a finished man. I'm a finished man. I'm gone forever.
If your wife leave you, come here, I go feed you.
That one is idiot. Idiot can now go cooking potty and you don't want me to enjoy myself.
The only food that you find come here, Abi. Now food carry you come here.
After food, it's our food, man, not going. Can go second wine. Metinyo tu nono, pepe soup nwayi jele na somuso. Pepe soup nwayi jele na somuso.
Mazibukwe. Let me ask you. This one you are so happy this morning, singing pepe soup nwayi jele na. Like somebody who won lottery. What is going on?
In this era of Tinubu, that BP is everywhere. Let me tell you, you don't need to be win a lottery before you will be happy. You know that me and you, we are in the same WhatsApp group. Your wife doesn't know how to cook. The same thing with my wife. So if you have such a wife, you know that you are in Pogata. So what you will do to make yourself happy is to, once you wake up in the morning, straight to a jealous shop, go to a jealous bar, tell the jealous to give you a full plate of ishewu. After that, you use 1 bottle of beer to wash it down.
Why?
Once you do it, you will see happiness coming from north, east, south, and the center, everywhere. I am happy.
You are a prophet. You are a prophet.
Very happy.
Let me ask you, Mazi. But this is why you carry all this toothpick. How many plates of pepper soup did you consume there? You pack all this.
Okay. Let me tell you. If I said let me pack toothpick according to how many plates that I consume, you will see 1 trillion load of toothpick following me. I graduated. You know now, I don't eat 1 plate again. They put it, they load 4. 4 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4. They put it inside the one, I will consume. Put another 1, 2, 3, 4, I will consume. Let me tell you, what I have inside here is 1 full goat. It is crying back inside me. And let me tell you something, no? Today's goat is special. The taste of the goat, that's very special. If I was who get this wrong with they are fighting there. Is she Monday and they share in the BC? They are fighting. I said to me go and offload. I am coming back. But follow me to the house. Don't reserve for me. I am coming. I am coming back on our another one. Today's goat is special. Life is good. Wake up in the morning and go and na somuso. Pepe soup ijele na somuso. Onyelo mabuo. Metinyo tu nono. Pepe soup nwa ijele na somuso. Pepe soup nwa ijele na somuso. Hey! Ogene de fa. Anu nwa ijele na somuso. Pepe soup ijele na somuso. Onyelo mabuo. Metinyo tu nono. Onyelu mabuo. Metinyo tu nono. Pepe soup nwayi jele na somuso. Pepe soup nwayi jele na somuso. Ha! Ogene. Ano nwayi jele na somuso. What are you doing? Where is your mother?
Inside.
She's inside. Okay. So. Okay. Pepe soup jele na somuso. Pepe soup ijele na samosa. Onyele ma bụ ometi n'otu n'ọnụ pepe soup. Where's my goat? Hey! What happened? Cherupo, this boy has sold my goat to Mwelegegu. Hey! Goat for the gods. Goat for the gods! Where is she? Come on! Onyori. Where's my goat?
It's at the backyard.
Which backyard? There is no goat there. Where's my goat?
It's at the backyard.
Which backyard? If you have sold the goat, return the money to the person and bring the goat for me now, because if I wish him, this is the goat for the gods. Give me the goat.
But what are you talking about?
Imagine what I'm talking about. Where is the goat? Where is the goat?
I didn't steal your goat.
You need to see goat.
What is going on here?
You should go give me my goat now. Where is the goat?
Come on, leave my son alone. It's son.
Tell your son to go and give me my goat. The goat that I tied behind there for the gods, that is goat for the gods. If I wish him, go and give me the goat now.
Which goat?
Goat for the gods.
So you are now accusing my son of stealing the goat in this house? Which my son? Onyori?
Yes, you'll be the data. Go and give me the goat. If you have sold the goat, return the money.
I didn't say any goat.
Goat for the gods. Go and give me my goat.
Which goat? Goat for the gods. So you have...
Give me the...
Come on, leave my son. Are you saw?
Shall you come there?
See, don't ever accuse my son of stealing the goats in this house. Since when? What kind of nonsense is this?
Let me tell you something. This is dangerous.
Which dangerous?
That goat is for the gods. Tell this boy to go and give me that goat.
Which goat?
Then I will kill this boy. Go
inside. Go inside.
He should go inside.
Yes, let him go inside.
The rot will be on your head.
Which rot?
The rot of the gods will be on your
let it come upon me.
That goat is for the Mabaronapa. I will go to any length.
What are you waiting for? Since when did you start valuing the goats in the house? Or is that, what do you even call her again? Ijele and pepe soup joint. Is it no longer enough for you?
If your problem is because of the pepper soup I was eating there, then you collaborate my goat because I'm even suspecting
you. Are you tired of eating the goat in the house?
You collaborate.
Are you tired?
That is goat for the gods. Don't worry.
Go to the altar. So what do you need the goat for? Go back to that woman's pepper soup joint. Go and do it. Who is holding you?
Goat for the gods.
Goat
for the gods.
Goat for the gods.
No problem.
So that useless woman's pepper soup is no longer goat for the
gods. I will
consult
the gods.
Go and consult. Go and consult. What kind of nonsense is this? What is the problem with the head? Ijele pepper soup, one Ijele pepper soup. Oh God, you're not even ashamed of yourself. So you're tired of eating a pepper soup, Abi? If you should be so ashamed of yourself.
Ijele.
My name.
Ijele. Just wait, like this now. You don't hold this whole community for ransom. Like this whole community don't dey under your control.
I know yarn you before. My baba tell me say the jazz dey work fire.
Check out.
He tell me say anything I want, make I always talk am for that jazz he go come to.
Abi,
you no confirm am.
I dey confirm am now.
Don't be say you dey confirm, you dey play, you dey show.
Abi,
I never start o. This one na BP. When I begin call them, everywhere go burst. You dey whine?
check out.
You see this land? This same land where they buy my papa for this land. Nobody go scot free. Now you no born the way. I go bring everything down. Any human being where they breathe, I go come out breathe for in throat. People wey don't buy before, I go come out then buy them again. For this land, then go feel am. Anything where they breathe, I go unbreathe am. I go do am until I get to my main targets.
Wait. Who can be your target again?
Yeah, you before now. So they ask me that mumu question, I never tell you.
Tell me again.
You know my target now. I dream big. I may be jelly. I mean they run this town now. Anything where they solve for you don't pass through me before.
After you now, you.
So I tell you, sir, I go run and you guys trust me, sir, I go run.
Just tell me.
You see that Igwe through. Na my own. I'll just find my way now, penetrate that palace. By Igwe. If I and finish, don't say that Imumu son, na him be. That's way if you do me.
Wait.
I'll call hijack the throne.
Wait, Jelly. You see this dimension where you.
I come this life, come.
I no understand.
I come this life, come.
Outside the palace.
They're not gonna see me.
You won't buy the king.
Take care of the house. Where is this boy? I want to go and see somebody at the jealous place. So take care of the house.
Hey, come back. Go to which joint? So you want to go to that useless girl's pepper soup joint again? Abin Nani? What is even wrong with you?
Cheru, what do you mean? I want to go and eat something that is precious, something that is special. You cook potty.
Serious?
Yes, you cook potty. Let me go and enjoy myself. What's
so the one in the house is not precious?
Potty?
Potty? Okay, come and go, let me see. You're not going anywhere.
It's not good.
Oh, wait a minute. It's me and you today, oh. Me and you today will die in this house today. You see that girl? You will never step your foot in that joint again. Oh, come on again, Ona. You will not go anywhere. Come and go, let me see.
You're holding me up.
Yes, I am holding you. If you want to eat pepper soup, give me money. I will prepare it well for you. You are telling me that I'm cooking potty, so you have the right to open your mouth to tell me that I'm cooking potty for you. Abi? Nani? So my food is no longer sweet for you to eat. It's only God that knows where that girl prepared that charm for you.
If you say you want to prepare, can you prepare something that will be as sweet as the one EJ is cooking?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes, just bring the money.
So if I give you money now, you go.
I will prepare it more sweeter and better than her own.
Sweeter and better.
Okwaisie pepper soup. I will prepare it well for you. And I was on you.
You will prepare it?
Of course,
no
very
problem.
Well.
Yes, settled.
Bring the money.
I will give you money.
Yes.
Go to the market. Prepare isiewu for me.
Yes.
Or do pepper soup.
Yes, I'll prepare it for you.
No problem. The person that
So you think you can deceive me, Abi? You think you can deceive me with a snake, Abi? Don't worry. You will see. It's me and you in this house. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you. Nonsense. You think you're smart? You think you're wise, Abi? That pepper soup will kill you. That pepper soup you eat every day. That girl's I don't know where to prepare that time. That pepper soup will kill you.
Sit now.
EJ.
Keep me now. It's not it. Keep me now. Drink my wine.
I knew it.
What is it?
I knew it.
What is it?
So, this is what you do every day. Leaving your house every morning to come here to eat this useless girl's pepper soup. Mama, shut up. Who is this one?
What is the problem? Can't you just go?
Let's go for your wife. I will change her.
Who be that? Hey, who be that? You won't break my table. You dey craze.
Are they crazy?
Who you be?
So you are the useless girl that is selling your
Now my eye, you won't put her.
You dey crazy?
I be mad woman, oh.
Mad dog.
I'm mad, oh.
Mad dog.
I'm mad for Kaduna. I'm mad for Lagos.
I don't know.
I'm mad for the whole Nigeria.
I know.
If I change her for her, she get my touch my beauty shirt.
Imagine.
How much I buy this for?
Imagine.
If I change her for her, man, I go stand with
See,
you.
come on.
You stand up your wife, eh?
You up your wife, keep down.
How do you do nonsense?
Nothing happened. Nonsense.
If I lay my hands on her, man, she go feel her.
Finish her. Help me.
What's with that? Nonsense.
No problem.
I said you are a special customer.
That's the point. Help me.
Stay here.
Help me.
You stay here. You don't go treat am bad. You don't go treat am. I go cook for your body. You dey mad.
Fire.
You dey crazy.
Stop
your wife. Stop your wife.
Swear ya. Ha! What kind of question? Darkness!
For my square! Why she won't do that thing? If I change her for a man, if I change her for a man,
Me, I know!
You make one name. Good morning.
I'm fine. How are you?
See me? I'm okay.
You don't look okay. You look worried. What is it?
My dear, I was actually coming to see you in your house this evening.
Oh, it's okay. So let's go now so that we can talk about it.
No need. Let's talk about it here.
What could be this serious that we cannot talk about in the house? I'm listening.
Iruka, it's time for us to mobilize all the women in this community so that we can go and protest against that Ijele special pepper soup joint in Igwe's palace.
Hey!
Eh? Can you imagine?
Wait. Just wait. Is this what you were coming to tell me?
Yes, so.
Listen to me. We do not have time to mobilize women. We will go to the Igwe's palace. We will tell the Igwe that both of us are the representative of the women. He needs to do something about this.
Do you think so?
Yes.
You think that's a good idea?
Perfect one. Let me tell you something. Do you know that my husband no longer eats food in the house?
Hey!
He does not eat. That girl just wants to destroy everybody's home.
Inokwono. Iruka, my friend. Do you know that I am facing the same issues with you?
Hey!
Yes, so. Do you know that my husband doesn't eat his food anymore? He will leave the house in the morning and come back late at night. He will abandon his food, he will not eat it. And when I ask him, honey, what happened? You don't want to eat your food anymore. He will say, "Nne, don't worry, that I've already eaten pepper soup in Ijele special pepper soup joint."
Ijele again?
Hey, Nnem. This whole thing is getting out of hand. And I am no longer finding it funny anymore. We have to do something about it. We have to go and protest in Igwe's palace. Yes.
We do not have time for protest. We don't have this time. Let's just go to the Igwe and report it, and that is simple.
Hi. Oh, okay. No problem. I think what I'm going to do is this. I will come to your house tomorrow morning.
Okay.
No problem.
Don't fail. Tomorrow is tomorrow.
Trust me now. Me, Rebecca. I will never fail in it.
Ijele pepper soup joint. I'll go. Fire will catch that place.
Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. I swear. She has not seen anything.
Hold it like that. Just hold it. Nice one. Very good, very good. Very good. Secured, recorded, and saved. Good. I don't come. I am calm.
What's it with that? Come on, that video now. What's it with that?
I should do what?
I just want create content to the goats. Not why you don't do the goats now.
Ijele the content creator.
You now go return for your front.
Yes.
Return the goats.
I have seen it. You have returned the good, But you see this video, I will not delete it. The Igwe we hear. The villagers we hear. Everybody we hear.
That now you said they calm down.
I am calm.
What's it with that?
So you have been stealing the goats in this community just to shh. My voice is down. My voice is down. But you have been stealing the goats in this community. For your pepper soup joint. Shh.
How far you now?
Okay now.
Let this thing slide now. You know pass like that now. Why would they shout, they make noise? You return the goat now.
I have seen it. You have returned the
come on the
goats.
video with your phone.
This video will go viral.
Guy, I beg now. You be like man up. Now why they
Igwe
like?
will hear it. Igwe will also watch the video.
Why they behave like
the
woman
villagers
now?
will
Can
hear,
you guy,
will also watch the
you
video.
said calm down. Wait till
Thank you.
Wait till that. Come back now. Where did they go, Pano? I said come on the video. You won't know my IP.
This video need to come out from my phone.
You say?
Igwe they hear am.
Make I tell you one thing, You see this video we won't post now. You go decide if you want post am for this one, post am for the other one. Where you want post am? Now here.
I dey post am everywhere.
I dey quick vex, so come on this video now.
You dey quick vex.
Come on the video.
You dey quick vex. Yeah, na dey quick vex.
Come on. Don't please. Don't stay danger there.
Long live your life.
Beautiful woman of Atani. What can I do for you?
Your Highness, we have come to report an important matter to you now.
Yes.
A very important matter?
Yes, Your Highness.
All right, I'm listening.
Your Highness, there's this girl that recently opened a pepper soup joint in this village. Ever since she opened this pepper soup joint, our husbands have been patronizing her on a daily basis. And the problem right now is this. All the women in this community have every reason to believe that she's using juju to attract all the customers, yes, to her joint. And the problem I'm facing in my home now is this. My husband will leave the house early hours of the morning. He will not eat his food and come back late hours of the night. The same complaint I'm receiving from every other woman in this community. Yes. And we are not finding it funny at all. Igwe.
Your Highness, we are the representative of the Association of Women. So we came to give you this report.
You did the right thing.
Thank you.
By coming to report. I'll look into the matter urgently.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
Thank you.
Daughter suffered and you may go now.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
I'll look into it. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Father.
Yes?
I just heard the women say that someone is using black magic to attract people to our shop.
Yes, that's what I said.
Is that even possible?
You ask like a child you are. Even though my son is becoming a very serious man, you ask like a child. Well, let me tell you this. Of course, it is very possible one could attract customers to his or her shop. Of course, it is very possible. Those women made a very serious allegation.
Yes.
And I will look into it urgently.
Okay, Father. But Father, I beg you to allow me to handle this case.
Handle the case?
Yes, Father.
Are you sure you can handle the case?
Father, what do you mean if I'm sure? I am the prince of this kingdom.
I'm asking because it's not been long you came back. And I don't want you to saddle yourself with all these village problems here and there.
Father, like I said, this is a simple and a small issue to handle. I am fine, I'll handle it. I really want to see that person that they said that is using black magic on people. Huh? Let me see how she will explain this allegation.
See, if you insist, it's all right. It's okay. You can go ahead.
My sister.
Hey. We made it.
Hey, my sister.
We made it.
Yes, so we made it. In short, I can't express my joy. Do you know that your idea was the killer punch? I told you. I'm telling you, that was the best idea.
I told you.
If we had waited to mobilize the women, maybe by now things would have fallen out of hands.
Yes, so what we did was the right thing.
The right thing, my sister.
By the time the women will realize what we have done, they will be very happy and very grateful to us.
Exactly. Very, very, very grateful. In short, you see that Ijele? Is it Ijele? Ijele special pepper soup joint or whatever she calls herself. I don't even care. In short, this is the beginning of her downfall. She hasn't seen anything. She will see. In short, she will use her eyes and see her back.
Yes, so I believe that the Igwe will ostracize her in this village.
Hey, I will be very happy if the Igwe do this thing because I know he's a man of his words.
He will do it.
He's a no-nonsense man.
Very correct.
That lady has not seen anything. She hasn't seen anything. Oh, do you know that I don't know where that evil woman got that charm from? That she used in holding all our husbands at work. To understand that our husband doesn't eat our foods anymore.
I say, cook it, let it be very sweet. Hey. Cook it and put honey. They will not eat. What kind of woman is that?
It's not ordinary now.
It's not ordinary.
They are under her influence.
It is very obvious.
For Holy Ghost fire now. Fire
that will burn them. He's doing warming.
He's going to her.
Warming. She will see shaggy.
Our husband will be running like dog. Evil woman. She wants to go back to cook. They don't want to do that.
You don't be my prince. My prince. His Royal Highness, His Majesty. Come on, your shoe show. Your face says shine, my prince. How you doing now? Prince, fine man. Welcome to Jealous Corner. My prince, how you doing? My prince, how you doing? Dana. My prince. My prince, everywhere I shot. My prince. That's just fine.
Jelly.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
Yeah, please. I want you to sit. I want to discuss something with you.
My prince, I did here now. But you don't call me Jealous Corner. You don't call me Jealous Pepper Soup Corner and I got serve you the right way. I feel just calm down, Make I bring color for you. If you just come like this now, come just stay with empty mouth. I go put something for your mouth.
I'm in a hurry.
No worry, my prince, I got you. Once you Jelly got you, everywhere goes soft for your life. Bimbo! Yeah, come on, match it down, sister. I carry color come for prince.
The prince, are they hello?
You go rush you, are the quick verse.
No, not shaking. Fast.
My prince! Your shoes shine, my prince. I know what I'm not for do you. Set the table. Wait, you say your boss.
Now relax.
Because your prince, no they cost feed for him food now. You don't get home training. Come on, make the go inside.
Prince, just enjoy.
No worry. My prince, I got you. No worry. My prince, you go eat them all. You go taste and go give me remark.
Okay.
I know as I don't say here now, it's Jealous Corner now. Everything they pass for here. My prince! Make I come off with you for talk through. My prince, you no go talk. I say you think I sweet you too much. And your dog, you won't ask. You go chop, give him the bone. You no go smile. Your guy they enjoy, no they smile. Who you be hater? Come on, put smile for your face. Big face. My prince! How you be now? You like her?
I love it.
I talk her.
It's nice.
Now you jealous joint. Now you come. Maybe see whether you're the sweet.
Wait, you made this? You made this?
I use my hand make her.
Like this?
Anything where you eat for you, let me use my hand produce her. And they produce everything where they can't eat for you, drink for. In fact, let me they tap the palm where they drink for here. Let me they run her. I hear my prince. You say give it to you one time. Wait till that. You say give it to you one time. Wait till that.
You let's say something like that.
You say one time is something.
Oh! Don't worry, it has been overtaken by events, yeah?
I say this one quick, come on.
Please,
one more. Bimbo!
Have fun now.
I report the diary room.
No shaking at the lab.
My prince!
How did it go? It went well, Father.
Really? So, how did she respond to the allegation?
Well, Father, the honest truth is that all I see is jealousy. Those women are just jealous of this innocent, hardworking girl. I went to her shop. She served me the same pepper soup they were complaining about. And it was wonderful. It was nice. I ate it and I was demanding for more. There's nothing wrong with the girl. Guess what? I bought you your own pepper soup so that you can taste. Oh, sorry.
This is good.
So I'm not crazy. Those women are just jealous of this girl.
So, we have someone who can cook like this in this kingdom?
Exactly. And if you see her, you would think she's very brutal. Huh? I'm serious. But there's nothing like any spell associated to this at all.
Please, send the guard to buy me more.
I can see that my father is enjoying it. Guard! Guard!
My prince.
I want you to go to Ijele's shop and get us another plate of pepper soup.
Yes, my prince.
Please be fast. This is good. I wish I had more here. Even when I had mine, I wanted more.
Yes, of course.
The only thing I see here is just nothing but jealousy. Because obviously those women don't know how to cook. And their husband found satisfaction in Ijele's shop.
I really see a color of jealousy in the attitude.
She is not an
Good afternoon.
Who be this? You want use greeting finish me?
The king needs good meat pepper soup.
You say?
My king needs goat meat pepper soup.
Your king
Yes.
needs wetin?
Goat meat pepper soup.
My pepper soup.
Yes, why are you sounding
You go wan eat
surprised? Yes. No be market you dey sell.
You go suffer you talk to me about your mates, you dey craze. No be you dey carry palace clothes. Weary. How much you want?
Now the king go on this pepper soup, abi?
Shh.
How far now? Just use this opportunity to share with the king.
You dey craze. And if you try am now, if I buy king now, the reason I make buy am now.
It doesn't matter. No me now. This is an opportunity we don't define.
No, you dey fuck up. I no go fit do am now. What if Prince follow eat the food? I'm the Prince will follow buy now.
I don't understand. Which one be say what if Prince follow eat the food? You know, but I hear say the things of the father they follow the children.
You dey craze. You dey mad. So if I leave you now, I go buy Prince. See, something they walk you. What's it be that one?
Just wait, Ijele.
Wait. What's in Prince do you? What's in do us?
No, just tell me say like this now. You don't dey fall in love.
Like this is the talk. What's how they talk? Be say nothing with Prince don't do me. I no go buy am now. I go preserve am now. I don't tell you say I need Prince to accomplish my mission. If I buy am, I won't take it at the palace. So they use your head at all.
Let's see for 10 minutes. I can't do that.
You say if you say make I buy king. I buy king now. They go come find me now. They go arrest me. And they go first arrest you. Because you follow for the whole plan.
No, me I no want me
so make I buy am.
No,
they use your
tight
head.
down.
You say most of your hair should they use thing.
They come here. Just give me small sec, I go finish now. They put plenty of soup for Igwe.
No wow.
Hey Igwe, say I carry for heart, put this of soup. Oh, I better kill 90.
Yes, tie down. Just wait. She dey come. Package and well. No dey force feed for king food. Relax, man. No be you face am. Na you don dey force feed.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's sensational.
Make I speak this out.
She is not an ordinary woman.
Thank you. How much is it?
I no go pay now. I go food now. Let it go for my heart to his heart. No go pay money.
Thank you. Alright. I'll do that.
Also, like they come every now and then.
No, no wahala.
And they cook every day.
No wahala. Thank you.
Thank you for coming to Ijele's corner. Oh, be smart thing. I don't go global, oh. I don't enter royal household with that. Farewell, yeah? There ain't nothing to that flask, oh.
She's not a regular.
Timbo.
Greetings, my prince.
Did you buy?
Yes, my king, I did. But your majesty, she refused the money I gave to her and said I should deliver this particular goat meat pepper soup specially to you for free.
You see what I'm saying, my father? That girl is too nice. Huh? Or if you see her, you think that she's very brutal. But she's a very nice person.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's sensational. She is not an ordinary woman.
Father, please, make sure you don't finish that food, okay? I still want some. Father, I need my own agent portion. Come on.
My son. So you are now goat meat pepper soup agent in this kingdom.
Father, I'm serious, don't finish it.
Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca.
I am just coming from your house. But it's obvious you're coming back from the farm.
Yeah. Hey! I'm coming from the farm. Hey! Oguejiofor, what is the problem?
Eh? Rebecca, there is serious problem. There's fire on the mountain. And this time, everybody has to run very fast.
Fire on the mountain?
Serious fire.
Hey, Chalukwa, wait, let me keep my basket down first.
Stop it.
Huh?
Hey!
Fire on the mountain. So what's the problem?
Rebecca, my sister. I heard from a reliable source that the prince of this village was seen at Ijele's pursuit joint, enjoying himself.
Chineke.
Hey!
Iruka, what are you saying?
You heard me.
Our own prince seen at Ijele's spot. Doing what?
Enjoying himself.
Hey! You mean to tell me that the prince? But wait, I thought we went to the Igwe's palace to complain. How could the Igwe allow his own son go to that kind of a place? For what now? Despite our complaint to him. No, Iruka, I don't believe you. I don't believe.
You don't believe?
I don't believe. What are you saying?
This is not a rumor. I confirmed it from some other person I met. It is the very truth.
Hey!
It is so.
There is a very serious problem in this community.
Big one at that.
Where did she go and prepare this charm that she's using to hold everybody in this community? What is going on?
India.
India,
because we don't have it here.
All the possible.
Listen, we are not going to back down on our plans. We are going to mount serious pressure on the king.
How can you tell me that you want to mount serious pressure on the king? How do you intend to do that? What? Chelukwa. I don't think. How can we go to the king's palace to mount pressure on him? I don't think it's possible.
It is possible.
How?
Because we went to the Igwe's palace and we lodged the complaint. We will ask him, Igwe, what have you done with the complaint that we gave to you?
Then, after asking him that, you think he will not feel offended about it?
Yeah.
Eh?
Rebecca, you have time. You really have time. We have serious matter in our hands. A matter as serious as our husband slipping away from our hands.
No.
And you're here asking me how will he feel?
But will not feel bad? Not as if we cannot do it, but what you're asking us to do is a serious task. How can we go to Igwe and complain to him about his own son? How do you think he will feel about it?
I don't care.
You don't care?
He should feel anyway.
Hey.
But he has to handle this matter. It's a serious matter.
Chimo,
He has to handle it.
This woman will not kill us in this community. In short, I don't even have time. I'm going home. I think I will come to your house in the morning. We'll talk about it.
I would have said, let's go now, but let me run down to that hospital to see if my husband is there drinking spiritual pepper soup.
Hey, are you sure I will not follow you? Mbajebe, go to first. Stay. Go first. Hey! God forbid. That Hacham will never catch my breath.
My breeze! The breeze of the land, my breeze are come out. My breeze! You don't show. People! Alright, I greet you, sir. Giants, where does sir? That's his step. Just 5 feet. It's only you turn yellow. That's your shoe, they shine.
I feel use your shoe now, check my face. Only you finally can't get money, can't better photo. Hey, yes! But they look at the second win. When I want to make I greet you, my priest. You live long.
Jealous.
Both are for you.
Come on.
And man, how you be? Baba for them girls. Oh, everything is set for your body.
Tell me, is your because soup ready?
You never ready, baby. Just calm down small. Just the one of
My prince are the halo.
Instead of that, you know go down.
Okay, my prince Toto.
Both are for us.
I'm too fresh.
Both are for us.
I'm too fresh.
Speak now. Don't do.
No worry.
Yes.
You shine,
It's
too sweet now.
No boss for him body now.
How come now? You don't call that guy when you make him bring drink. I want no drink now. I don't be see.
You see, important person.
Call am.
Don't worry, now just business there. My prince. Don't worry, everywhere set. You won't come inside.
I want.
My prince. You save the smoke.
The package now.
Nigerian joint now in there. I go pack her for you.
They wait for you.
So you can't get everything there. They good, the bad, the ugly. They run her for here. My prince! It's Royal Highness. This is your photo set. So I go to make my prince just come here. They come here. They can put on those two. Please don't show. It's Royal Highness. Your reign go long past the papa reign.
Igwe!
What is it? We want to see His Highness.
Yes, we want to see. I'm telling you, this nonsense must stop.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Igwe must do something
Pepper soup. All the men are finished.
Oh God.
Here, there, here, there. Live long, Your Highness.
What is it again you want?
Your Highness, we have come to know how far concerning what we discussed with you the other time.
Yes.
Are you mad? Have you lost your senses? Huh? Why are you people bugging me? Was it not yesterday you just came here to make a report? Now you've not given me time to think out of what to do. You are here again. What is wrong with both of you? I can see a color of jealousy in your report. Yes! I have found out you are jealous of that poor girl because she knows how to cook. She does what you cannot do for your husbands.
With all due respect, Your Highness, that is not true. That girl used dark magic to make people patronize her.
Exactly.
Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Someone that knows how to cook will not need charms to get customers. Huh? Is it her fault she knows how to cook more than you? The thing you cannot do for your husband, she does it. And now you've come to make a report. Now get out. Huh? Out. Out! Okonji, come.
Your Majesty.
I will need a plate of that pepper soup. Make arrangement. Get it here. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's a sensational. She is not an ordinary woman.
Rebecca, my friend. Rebecca! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you sure that Ijele has not served the king her wicked pepper soup?
It's possible.
She has bewitched him.
She has bewitched him. I'm telling you. No. Wait, let me ask. You know that there is this saying that goes this way. Okay, no, you are man. So, correct. What do you think we are going to do now?
I have now seen a reason for us to mobilize the women. We will mobilize the women. We will stage the protest. We stage this protest, we take it to her shop. Scatter everything.
Yes, you're correct. Nnem, your idea is the best. That thing that wants to happen tomorrow, let it happen today.
That's the spirit.
Sure, let it start happening now.
The spirit, let's go.
Type one.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Ijele, I want to tell you something.
Listen with that, my prince.
I am beginning to like you.
That one a normal talk why they hear every day now. Me na fine babe now. Men they come here, they see me, day in, day out. Almost all the men where they come here, they like me. When I will push button past, now I will listen to now.
Ijele, if you know what I have on my mind, you will only be saying all these things.
You get pick-up lines though. Now you from a lot of these bad boy lines. Like say you don't spoil.
I'm a bad boy as well.
I just see him. You there your eye.
That's your friend. Just really hard working, you know.
Bimbo. And my sister be that too.
Are you serious?
We come from a long way. This one don't pass friendship. And my blood be that. If God happens say God come bless me tomorrow, I come marry one man now. I don't care the man na heaven they live, I be na hellfire they live. People go follow me enter anywhere I enter.
You don't mean it? So what if she's married?
Nothing spoil now. If I no come see her, she will come see me. No be waiting family go do for family be that.
Ijele,
My prince.
there's something about you that I really like. You always have a heart of helping people.
You think so you know me rich like that?
From the little I've seen so far. Before I forget, the king, he wants to see you by tomorrow.
You say?
My father, he wants to see you tomorrow.
Igwe. Why now? Wetin happen now? Wetin I do?
Are you scared?
No, not be say I dey fear. I know wetin concern me, concern Igwe. Wetin me and Igwe dey. When they run something now, why?
You don't need to be scared, okay? You're fine. You haven't done anything wrong. You just want to see, you.
No, one now. I go pull up tomorrow. Wetin I dey do? No be Igwe him be. I be subject now. If you call on me, I go respond.
Exactly.
I be make we dey go now.
No.
No get wetin I dey do.
He's busy with his subjects.
I dey loyal to the royal household.
Ijele. I will need more of this, you know.
Okay. What is it? Where are you going? Where are you going to be selling money? Where are you going? Are you mad? I'm going to be selling Yeah, you going to.
I'm going to
Yes. To do what?
Do it.
To do what? I'm mad.
You don't know how to.
I am mad.
You're mad.
Yes. I will not leave it.
Leave my car.
I will not leave it.
You don't know how to cook.
Leave me.
You're not going anywhere.
Leave me.
You are not going anywhere.
I am going to jealous.
To do what?
Do it.
I don't know how to cook. It's not that you know that.
If you could finish, now so I go to poo bra bra bra.
If you know how to cook, I will go to jealous shop.
You see you.
I'll beat
You
you.
see you.
Leave me. Leave me.
Let's go.
Are you still there?
Majesty! Ah! See as you fine. Better man.
Welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness. I go sit down now. What I can do for palace? Hey, Igwe. I carry something come for you. Special pepper soup. The one where they like. See this one. I bend down cook am for you. I put all the whole condiment where they like. I know say you don't send your guard may come by before. If bring money come, I no collect the money. No say give you your change. I no collect shishi from Amu. This one now, I bend down cook am for you. I put all the whole things where they like. If you chop this one, Igwe, it's over for you. See this one? I cook am. Go comot crown no. May you know wetin dey sweet. I mean na the kind na the soup. Na the soup dey sweet. Igwe, I happy see you, child.
Igwe, sit down.
Make I tell you one thing, eh? You no live long. See like where you come, you go live long. Nothing go buy you. You go live. Come tired to live. You see me, your son. You no go succeed you on time. Wetin I mean be say you go live, oh, child.
Thank you. Sit down.
Happy to see you, sir.
Thank you so much for the pepper soup. I've heard so much about you and I asked my son to bring you to the palace.
Na God go bless me for you. Child, Your Majesty. A better man na you be.
Welcome. Son, have you entertained your visitor?
Well, I just brought her to say hello to you.
And make her comfortable.
You see what I say, we live long. You don't hear everything Papa talk. Now come go make me comfortable.
Please, let's go.
If you come to the highness, say that you guys say hi, Your Majesty. Better man, that's you. Hey, I please come to the highness.
Chino! Come. Please, carry that something to the fridge.
Father.
Yes. Son?
Majesty.
I don't understand her personality. Is she really a girl or a boy?
Father, she's a girl.
A girl?
Yes, Father.
Then why does she behave like a man? As a matter of fact, one of these touts in one of these garages.
Father, I must say that is her personality. And you must know something. She is a nice girl. And she has a good heart. That is all that matters.
Well, son, I think we should employ her to be one of our cooks.
Father, employ Ijele as a cook.
You don't like her pepper soup?
Come on, Father, I like her pepper soup. But she's bigger than a cook. She can't be a cook. She can be our cook. Huh? Come on. Besides, she has her own place, her own shop, and she's doing very well.
It's okay. It's okay. We can always buy from her.
Exactly, Father.
But that kind of a girl. Thank God your mother isn't like her.
You're welcome. Are you mad? Are you mad? Inapwala? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Am I not talking to you?
Why are you backing? How do you expect me to respond to your backing?
Mwa backing. That is Nkata. I am not a dog.
Well?
Ibokwe was a dog.
Well, which other animal responds in a manner the way you do without provocation?
Hey!
It's not a dog.
Hey! It has now gotten to a level that they call me Ishie Ibokwe. Ishie Ibokwe. Dog. No problem. I will put it in my pocket. Let it. I will reserve it here. Now tell me, what are you trying to do with those useless women? What is it you want to do?
It's not your business.
Not my business.
Is it your business?
Is it? Come off my business. You're welcome, Biaba.
What is wrong with you? What is even wrong with you this afternoon? See, if you know what is about to befall you, you will not even think of blocking my way or touching me. Be very careful with me, oh. Come. I will not pass.
You are not going to enter the house.
Block the road. Block it.
What is about to befall me? That is, she's planning against me, my own wife. Me, she called me a dog. Nkatala, that I'm backing on at this house. We are going to see to the end of this. We are not going to enter this house. We are going to be here. You can't stop me. Plan and come. I will dilute it.
Agree. Nigeria must go. We don't agree. We don't agree. Oh, we don't agree. Nigeria must go. We don't agree. We don't agree. Oh, we don't agree. Nigeria must go. We don't agree. We don't agree. Oh, we don't agree.
What is going on? Who are you?
My name is Chukwemeka. I'm from this village.
You are from this village? You name a blog? You know?
I'm a blogger.
You are a blogger? Come! The world needs to know what is happening. Yes. Come, let me tell you. What is it?
I saw elders of our land and our mothers fighting.
Yes.
What is going on?
What is going on is that these women, the Kwanya, come close you because they need to hear our voice. Yes. You are going to tell the world what you are saying now.
Yes.
We marry the women that don't know how to cook. At all. They don't know how to cook. Because your wife don't know how to cook. For where? They are cooking potty. Potty. Now we said, God brought each other for us. How? To save our lives. These women say no. They want to take meat out of our mouth. And we say no. Enough is enough. We are the head of the family. Yes. We are the head of the family. We have taken decisions, sir. Yes. Now here that I'm jealous. Look at me. See how big I am. Yes, very large. Before Ijele came here, I was looking like this man. That is why we brought this man into the fold. Yes. So that he will eat the meat and the meat. So we say enough is enough. Yes. Enough. Tell the world. But what Trump? But what the people now need to do? What are they to be? Happiness. Yes, it's so. So you tell them. Let us go and report to each other. She's waiting for us. Ijele pepper soup.
see those men out there? They're strong warriors, you know.
Those get locked, say those men they there. What's that for do those people, eh? What's that for do them?
It's okay.
They don't for like themselves.
It's okay, Jelly.
What's that you do human beings? What's that you do? I sabi cook eh? I hold your husband for neck.
It's okay, I understand. But you see those men out there, they're true warriors, you know.
Why they no go fight for me? Maybe me they feed them. Man go take his stomach play. And they feed them and the guys fight for me now.
Ijele, there's something I want to tell you.
Please, I beg, eh? I don't get time for what you want to talk now because now all those your plenty grammar and I want to speak now. I don't get strength for that one. Like this now my head they hot. Like this bump they my like this I feel just I dey find what I won't just use now end the existence man I forget myself. Because they para like this, I dey vex.
Ijele, it's okay, alright? But trust me, what I'm about to say right now, it will cheer you up.
My prince, with all due respect, if you know they get yourself, go palace, go rest. Man, forget myself now. Eh?
Are you asking me to leave? Eh? Do you want me to go?
No be like that. That's how they talk. Be say, what you want talk now? No, the important. I feel vest now. Change her for you.
How
like
do you
me.
know if it is important?
Now why I say make you no talk am now? Maybe they go. Say, man, no be say they pursue you. I just they look out for your mental health. Cause my own don't scatter like this.
Okay, Ijele, listen, what I'm about to say to you right now is going to cheer you up. I promise. Just hear me out.
I didn't hear you talk.
Thank you. You know, the last time I came here, I told you that ever since I saw you, you know, I can't just get my head off you. I've always been thinking about you. Ijele, your pepper soup, you know.
Normal thing. I get who they can't eat for you and they go back and think about it.
I understand. So, but I've concluded in my heart that I want you to be my wife. I want you to marry me.
Nothing there here. I always say they mix give you on a daily basis. This one say won't marry me. I be this one too strong for you.
I'm serious.
And myself now I blame. Because I don't give you Igbo, I don't go talk with you talk now. So they get yourself, they go palace, so go rest.
Ijele, like I said, I'm very serious.
Which one be say won't marry me? You, they give me a headache. What's be say won't marry me? Marry who? You, Prince, you won't marry me, Ijele. How now? From where to where? What's in kind of like come out?
You know what? I'll give you some time to think about it.
You smoke like say they bust your head.
I'll be back.
You mean I'm?
Have a good day.
Yeah. I think you just follow for my book. As Prince!
How could you? How could you disrespect the person you call your king? How could you? And who gave you the audacity to protest against my decree? Who? Ijele is a good cook and nothing more. The thing you complain about is just her pepper soup, and I've tasted it. Oh yes, I have, and it is good. That is it. It is very good. Or you want me to say it again? is good. She's a very good cook. Yes! I've only told people to jettison everything about this report. But no, you don't listen. You didn't find it necessary to obey my orders. Instead, you deceived other women into making a very big protest against Ijele. What a sacrilege. This is very lethargic and a complete banal. Now get out. Out! Get out!
Like this now. You won't become the prince's wife.
It shock you, Abi?
Boy, this one only shock me. It commots my liver. Yeah. You, the prince's wife.
Na Baba Jazz na. I know you from the onset see that Jazz they work fire.
Like this now. I dey confirm am say Baba Selina tight. Baba Selina no dey miss targets. Check out. So now, if you enter the palace, it go come easy for you to buy the king now. You go not drum. Easier.
It don't be that now. After I marry this prince finish, I'll come enter palace. Next thing I'll come buy Igwe. If I buy Igwe finish, they'll come crown my husband, the next king. It don't be for me be that now. Who marry king no be king?
Not king now.
I'll come turn into vegetable. Anything I want that good into. Now from that I go show all the whole Jack and Harry wey show me shege before.
Nabi, they go confirm.
My reign go dey forever.
I say they go feed them.
All the promise why I promise them, so I go do them.
I say you never come.
I'll come do times 10.
I dey tell you.
I go show them say wetin Judas Iscariot do Jesus Christ. He not try at all. What I go do for them? You better for history book.
Now what for you?
The first man to buy all men.
Adi?
It go be me.
Only you na men says. See, but the one way they bust my brain now helps you. After you don't communicate, go palace now like this. I go just come dey miss you. I no go get party with two of us go just dey do our things. You understand? As we just the vibe now. Now you see am.
You see me that I say you don't underlook me. Now you go dey flow yarn that thing. I don't become king. You see they doubt my reign.
Abi?
You don't undermine my capacity.
I will forget though.
If I become king, na palace maid now you want. Na chief guard now you want. Na palace cook now you want.
No.
Abi make I make you go to help me buy the youth for me.
You dey there.
Abi you go buy the gods for me.
Buy.
Abi you go buy the elders for me.
Buy.
You just buy anybody baby.
Now for you, anybody wey Zuzu, I go try am. No be
my reign go be forever.
You go too legit.
What I go do?
You go too legit.
Man go feel am.
You go too legit.
Animal go feel am.
You go too legit.
Plants go feel am.
Ijele.
You dey whine.
Ijele.
You don do. Na king na him go dey call me from today.
Na true.
No call me Ijele again.
But you know say Ijele sef na king, you understand?
But you see that king, get the kind of authority wey dey follow.
Abi, King Ijele. King Ijele.
I will reign forever.
King Ijele.
Man no go fit kpai me. Even the gods no go fit kpai me. Na me go kpai the gods.
Igwe. Prince.
Bimbo, what's up?
I don't smile too. Have fun. I hope you get and clear.
I enjoy you.
Abi, no shaking. I just feel at home, feel at shop, just feel everything. You understand? Fine girl. Just understand.
That's it. Don't forget yourself.
No
know who be your boss.
It's that happen.
Or carry this place, come on my front.
No shaking now. Prince. Fine boy.
Who's your friend? She's really funny.
I'm fine with the way this is.
The main reason I came here today is because I want to tell you that I can't stop thinking about you. All through the night, you've been on my head.
Oh, wow.
I don't want to lose you. Come on.
You won't be safe. No one lose me, my friend. Why would they die now? I believe they say I get cancer. I do here with you now.
Chile, I want to marry you. Huh? Please.
I want for you and this your marriage matter. They tired for you, sir.
I want, when the time comes, I want you to rule alongside me as my queen.
I go marry you. And for one condition.
One condition? What can the condition be?
If you allow my friend Bimbo, make she dey come palace. Anytime when she wants. Then she come dey visit me for palace. I go agree to marry you.
You mean Bimbo?
Bimbo now. Which other friend I get?
Wait, that's the condition?
If you do am now, I go marry you now.
Consider it done. Consider if you want her to live with us, fine with me.
As you dey quick, agree to me. Also dey quick come like that. Anything I talk, we just accept fast. Also they come fast for bed.
Come on. So you're gonna be my wife?
Oh, they touch me now. I never tell you say I don't be your wife yet.
Come on. Huh?
Oh, what I go marry you.
You marry me?
No, they shout now. My business place. I be boss, so.
It's okay. It's okay.
If they propose to date, you go gas, they calm down, follow and talk.
You're not a deity, okay? You're going to be my wife. Alright?
Like say, one go color be me. You don't go walk in that way. I'm gonna get my life.
Lolo, Ijele.
What's your name? Don't call me Lolo, day one.
You don't like Lolo?
Hello?
She is not an ordinary
Mr. McPherson.
She's a sensational.
How are you today?
She is not an ordinary woman.
No problem. No problem. I am my brother. Yes? You are here to sign the papers. Why? It's okay. It's okay. Don't waste time. Of course, let it be later in the day now.
She got power, she got control.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, please, tell me where to Bless you.
She's not a regular woman.
Okay, thank you. Son? How are you today?
I'm fine. I decided to come and join you.
You did well.
Father, you remember the discussion we had earlier concerning me getting married?
Yes. Yes.
I have good news.
Good news? I can't wait to hear it.
Father, I've seen someone that I want to get married to.
Really? Oh! Tell me, who must that be?
Father, it's someone that you already have an idea of, you know. Her name is Ijele.
Ijele?
Yes, Father.
Which of the Ijeles? Is it the Ijele that sells pepper soup?
Exactly, Father. The one that sells meat.
Son?
Father.
What's her problem?
I don't understand.
I mean, why do you prefer to marry a woman that has the character of man?
Oh, Father, come on. Not you. And Father, it doesn't matter. Her character is very okay. I remember you told me, I should look for someone that has a good character. And Ijele fits that very well, Father. She has a good character. That's all that matters.
Like how people say you can always drag the horse to the riverbed, you can't force it to drink.
Exactly, Father.
Now, are you sure you love her and she loves you?
Father, I'm very, very positive that she loves me. And I know deep inside my heart that I love her as well.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. If it is true you love her and she loves you, well, you have my blessings.
Thank you, Father.
You have my blessings. So all you need to do is to go and discuss with her so we can start planning how to go to her place to, discuss with her parents, okay?
Okay, Father. I'm very sure that she will make a great queen. Father, thank you. If you must know, my father has given me his blessing.
I am surprised you could settle with this girl. She's not your class. I mean, what did you really see in her?
Frank, another man's food is another man's poison.
You see, that adage is not supposed to be added in this case. For crying out loud, you are the crown prince and the next king of this kingdom.
So what is your point?
Good. Now you ask me a good question. My point is this. You need a classy girl and not a tomboy. Do you understand?
Frank, you see Ijele? Just leave her like that for me. You are seeing a village girl and a tomboy, but I'm seeing something different. I see a classy girl. All she needs is just a little touch up, and she will be my queen, and I'll paint her to the taste I want. Exactly.
Are you the one saying all these things?
What do you mean am I the one saying all these things? Drink up, man.
It's alright. Okay, if I may ask you, how do you intend to proceed?
Now you are asking the right questions. Since my father has given me his blessings, yeah, all I have to do is to try and round up everything within 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Why do you want the marriage so quick? It's too...
Hey,
why?
Frank, wait, let me ask you. Is there anything that Ijele did to you? Wait, have you tried wooing this girl and she said no?
No, she did not do anything to me, but you understand what I'm saying?
So why are you always getting angry whenever I bring her issue up?
Come on, you are a prince and she's just a tomboy. She doesn't fit you.
So because she's a tomboy, she doesn't deserve love, is that what you're saying?
You know what I'm saying? So,
huh? Don't be surprised, you fall in love with a tomboy as well.
I hear you.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's so sensational.
Father.
She is not an ordinary woman.
My son.
She looks amazing.
Yeah. Father, meet
Your Highness.
my new wife.
She looks amazing.
Thank you,
Beautiful. Come. Let's go in and meet her.
Let's go.
Come. What?
So, are you alright? It is fine, Father.
It's okay. Let's go.
It's okay, don't worry.
It's alright. It's alright. Let's go.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's sensational. She is not an ordinary woman. Okay,
Everywhere else. So 30 minutes, I'll come before you. I can't wait to you talk too much, might go back to work, yeah? How are you going?
She's not a regular woman. She got power, she got control. She's not a regular woman.
Your Highness, and the gods now go bless you for me.
It is good to have you in my household.
It's like we do now. If higher power summon me, I suppose, answer.
My son really has eyes for good things.
You can say that again, Father.
I mistook you to be a very bad person, but how wrong I was. I didn't know I was forgetting you.
Your Highness, me? Bad person? God forbid now. My hands are clean. Nothing concern me concerning it with the bad. Now waiting your son see, now he make and fall for me. I can't dey chew. I ain't say he won't marry me. I be a good person, no.
Chinoro. Please get me a glass of juice.
Alright, Your Highness.
Wait. Your Highness. Now juice, now you want. Nowadays, you not tell me I bring juice for you. You know, give it how they work now.
See. It is very preposterous to allow you go solo as to go and begin to look for drinks and begin to behave like a palace maid when you are actually the future queen of this kingdom.
I no mind though. Now down nowadays since they born me. Now you dey up, now you be king now. I go serve you with all pleasure. Why you call am from Bagia make come serve you while I dey here? I get shop I dey sell food, I dey sell drinks. If your son come, na me dey serve am. If I serve you now, I go dey very happy. Just give me this one chance, make I serve you. It go be the last time I no go serve you again.
Father, it's okay. I think she has a point.
Well, if you insist.
I insist though. Not going to the work. I insist.
This child.
Father, isn't she beautiful?
I have a very good daughter-in-law. I think she has the kind of character. Oh, thank you, my daughter.
Don't drink that drink, Your Highness.
What?
Yes.
Why should my father not take his juice?
This one they mad though. This one don't mad before.
Why don't you want me to
If
drink?
you no man and a person with head no normal, no see wetin carry for head. This one no get sense, na Ross na fool the head.
It's okay, just allow her to talk.
Why she go talk?
Let her talk.
Your Highness, still be say this person know wetin she wan talk. Wetin be your own now? Wetin concern you?
Ijele, can you let her talk?
I wan let her talk, but she no go wetin she wan talk.
Can you just keep quiet and let her talk?
Wetin be that?
Sit down and let her talk.
Na please no raise your voice give me na wetin be that one?
So why don't you want me to take it?
The drink is poison. I caught her putting some substance inside the drink.
Say substance. You see, we not go to come and call your parents make come dey serve you.
What do you have to say?
Your Highness, na wetin I wan talk now. This girl no go school, no get sense. Wetin I put for a drink na ice block.
Ice block? So why do you have to put an ice block in a drink that was brought out of fridge?
Your Highness, the drink dey hot. I no wan serve king wetin dey hot. Now I come put ice block make the drink for cold.
Okay, babe, it's okay. I believe you, okay? You do me a favor. Just let's drink. Yes, take a sip.
You say?
Just drink it to vindicate yourself. Come
I
on.
should drink it.
Yes.
Make I drink where I no ask for. See who ask for drink here where blue. You say make I drink. What's it concern me with drink?
I know you're not thirsty, but just drink it to save us this stress.
I no want drink. See who ask for drink. Now you go take your drink. Now you say you dey thirsty. Oh, I know they mad. Take your drink now. You say you want. I no go drink what I no ask for.
You're beginning to stress me. You're beginning to frustrate me. Will you take this drink and stop stressing us?
For you, Grace. I say I no want drink. You raise your voice. You want force me now. First make I drink the drink now. See who ask for drink here, wear blue, they sweat. Give and tell me in pain, blood pressure, come down, they give me drink.
You actually realize you're talking to the king.
One first make I drink what I ask for.
If you don't drink this, I will call the guards to seize.
I go beat them waiting up good. Call them make them come.
Guards!
My prince.
Who be the guards?
Caesar.
I go beat them oh. I go beat them oh. What's that? When I won't fight me, I go cut you with no good you the craze. What's me please?
Calm down.
Now me ask for drink. See who ask for drink there you want first make I drink.
You are talking to the king.
I bet close your mouth shut. Who be king? You dey craze. I ask for drink. Who be Ifa? Ifa Toga. Mind yourself, I go put you. Who be king? Who be king?
My daughter.
I don't come. Hey.
Please.
Stay talk. I dey keep una quiet since. Now you talk plenty grammar. Make I tell you. Na me be the rightful owner of this kingdom. Na me own this crown. Na me get this throne. In fact,
No, you can't. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You go quiet your mouth and make I not win you. After you this wicked man, you kill my father, collect him crown. You think I will let you go scot free? I don't come for you. I go cut your neck today.
Just calm down.
I've been coming a long time coming. I don't finally come to that go. Because I cut your neck. I go cut your neck. Let me the king. I don't come back. Let me the rightful king for this land. And you, what's nothing for me? You get mine. What's up?
Your Highness, do you know that this girl has been the one stealing all the ghosts that you have been looking for in this community? Hey! I'm telling you! When she steals the goat, she will use it and do pepper soup. I will be selling to us, I will be paying for the pepper soup. Oh. My own goat, the one that is spending me, you can take a chapel of my own goat. The goat I bought to give to the gods. This girl stole the goat. Killed the goat and gave me the meat and the earth. I paid you! This girl here, she's a killer. This same girl here killed the son of Mbadiwe. This girl here, this young man saw this girl trying to steal a ecologist goat. She killed the boy. So that the boy will not say what he saw. This girl is Igwe. Igwe. Are you sure? I went deep to search. Joya Abamafa.
Which one is are you sure? Igwe does not just talk anyhow. This one he's pointing his right finger. Something is there.
Igwe, what are you saying? Ask her. Look at her here. Is it not true?
Say something now. Oh, you see? My elders, do you know that if not my chef, Chetu, I would have been dead by now?
How?
Yes. This wicked soul here I call my daughter-in-law wanted me dead. Hi! Ijele, was I the one that killed your father? Why do you want to kill me? My elders, what is the right punishment for this kind of crime?
Punishment!
You cannot manage punishment.
Shut up.
By the powers conferred on me as the Igwe of this kingdom, I hereby banish you.
She stole my goat. I wish him kill the goat to get this over. What we said to wicked.
She is not an ordinary woman. She's sensational. She is not an ordinary woman. Oguejiofor.